So, what you have to do everyone, first step we need the Tableau to be installed. So, everyone you can just open go to the Chrome, okay, and I will open Google. Generally if you even if you type, everything will work here, okay. So, there you know how to search, right. So, just type download Tableau desktop. So, or just I will go to download Tableau first. I will open this website. Okay. So, you can see here this Tableau desktop edition we have only for 14 days trial. So, if you download, give the details and download, it will download only free trial for 14 days. Do not download now, I am just telling you, right. So, if you see that product, okay. So, we have the Tableau product, that is we have several product, Tableau Cloud, that is based on cloud, right. So, you can use on cloud services, Tableau servers, so they have their own server, you can directly use with that. Tableau desktop, which I am showing here. So, this is the Tableau for the desktop edition. So, actually we need Tableau desktop, and if you go to overview, 1 minute, I will show you that, and you can see that even this Tableau is from Salesforce. Salesforce is very big company for any like data managing, anything, many things are there, is used by the Salesforce company, right. So, you can see that Tableau, you have the different, just you can explore the website, you will get more details on that. So, Tableau Cloud. So, if you click on cloud, directly they will give you the interface here. Let me go through that. So, I will just show you that Tableau Cloud, you can see that again. So, empower smarter decision with fast, flexible, easy analytics, and Tableau Pulse is now available on Tableau Cloud. So, you have to sign in. Once you sign in, it will give you the interface here only, and you can do the analyzing part, right. So, you can see that how analyzing will happen. Okay. So, what you are going to do, even if you see that they are actually price calculator, this based on how many license you want, this for the actually for industry, you can see that estimated price, if for only one license, it is how much, $1,380. So, $115 per month it is there. So, these tools are not free, not open source. So, it is paid one. Okay. So, you can see that Enterprise Explorer. So, there are different version is there. So, people if they want to buy, the company will buy and use. Okay. So, what you are going to do, you are going to again come back to the Google, okay, and I will search here download Tableau desktop for a student. Okay. Once you click that, you can see the first option for a student, you just open that link. So, you have to use Tableau desktop for students. It will give the first website link, that is tableau.com academic students. So, if I open here, you can see that tableau.com website. So, now if you look at here, Tableau for students, get started with Tableau to build data skills, advance your career and connect with the community. And you have the option called get Tableau for free. Previously what we have seen, that was for the 14 days trial edition. Now we have to proceed with this. Click on get Tableau for free. Okay. It will open like this. Okay. And here you have to fill your name. Remember that the email ID what you are going to enter here, that should be your college email ID @ your college mail ID. So, if you use your personal Gmail ID, then might be your application will be rejected. You want, you can try it, but if you give college email ID, maybe within 10 minutes or within minute or within hour, they generally say that see it mentioned takes 15 seconds to fill out. So, just fill the form and you will get the license key in your email. So, finish this. So, you can fill out your name, first name, last name. You should give the college email ID. See, 1 minute. Wait, I said no, don't press this. You have pressed that one. Don't press any number from here. It will get exited.
Okay.
Number, use this number, numpad. Okay, so you have to enter. At the rate you can use, but not number. Anyway, while uploading, I will hide this email ID. Okay, give the role, select the role. See, there is a student option, right? Yes. And India, yes, click on download app. Okay, so it will pop up will be there. So it will come like this. Okay, so download will start, and this portion where you are come now, you can see that there is a something called learn. So how to video? So they have given the video demonstration of some of the experiment. You can look at that also. You have the another option called sample data. So as I said, we require data sets, right? We require sample data to explore. So even you can download from the sample data from here also. So if you look at here, we have the video. So get started, how you can connect data sets, how you can navigate the workspace area. So these videos are there, you can explore later on at home. Okay. If you look at the sample data, you can see that sample data we have superstore sales. So you have some entertainment, so different area like entertainment, sports, whatever you want, public data, education. So all the data are available based on your requirement. Even if you want to learn this data, you will get to know that how your visualization. So it is the option is there, right? You have to click which you are going to download, click on download Windows app. So now once you click, then only download will start. So it is showing that thank you for downloading Tableau, and it will begin like this. So it should automatically, if it is not, then you have to click on that. So just wait guys, it will take some time to download.